coming back. What's your address?
4418 Baker Avenue Northwest.
We're at 4418 Baker Avenue Northwest. The date is February 22nd, 2018. Right now I'm sitting at the city sewer at about 80 feet out, coming back from a clean out in the basement under the stairs. And a small lip there, small lip there. That's far enough out, I wouldn't be worried about it at all though. And that's in 6-inch pipe too. This is coming back into, well, I can't tell if that's 6 or 4 inches. There's a lip there, but that's on the top of the pipe. Tie in there, probably maybe the neighbor coming in. You know if you saw it with the neighbor at all?
Don't think so.
Okay. Tie in there, maybe a downspout.
Yeah, the downspouts used to be tied in. We disconnected.
Got him. Got it. We're back in 4-inch pipe now.
I know exactly where that downspout is, because when the water main broke, they pulled it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You see that turn there, where some waste kind of builds up. You want to run the water again? I'll try to smack that off there
Okay,
with the
great, thank you.
camera. And go ahead and flush the toilet again too. Got it. Go ahead and kill the water again,
okay,
please. Thank you. So that is a spot of concern right there. You see how you're running. Your waste is coming along, boom, hits that lip, how my camera kind of catches on it.
Yeah.
It's the same thing your turds and your toilet paper and that are doing.
Okay.
Kind of catching that.
How far out are we now?
That's about 10 feet out. Probably closer to 5 feet. You gotta figure. You got about 4 or 5
So it's
feet.
probably just on the other side of the door.
Yep.
Okay.
That was our spot too. I'll bet you that's where you're backed up. There's also a lip there. It's hard to see underwater. Where this plastic pipe is tying into the clay pipe, you see that? It's kind of offset a little bit.
Yeah.
Boom, right into that lip. That's even bigger than the other one. So, spots of concern right there, and that other one at 9 feet. Maybe think about repairing that. Digging it down and taking care of it. After you did that, I think you'd have no problems with your sewer again until earthquake, heaven forbid, or whatever.
Okay.
But, yep, that's that. Bet you it's that first lip where all that stuff got cut.
Okay. You think that's a couple grand or something?
Yeah, I could have a guy give you a number just to,
Okay. Yeah, no, that'd be
think
helpful.
about it. Yeah.
Yeah.